Okay, so in the previous lesson, we had wrapped up the modeling of the bottom teeth, gums, and tongue. We're now going to move on to the top of the teeth. So let's go ahead and make sure that our snapping is enabled. We're back on increment over here, and we have global selected, and under edit mode, under mesh, edges, make sure that you still have your rotate Control A shortcut key. So I'm just going to do A to deselect everything. Now I just want to show you here that we're just going to rotate to the back, shift middle mouse button. Just going to rotate it like this and do tab to go into object mode. So you can see here on the bottom, we can actually thicken this up, but this is again really optional because you're never going to see this area anyways, right? So I just want to show you that if you do tab, click on this one, just rotate up, shift, and click on this one. These two guys over here do Control 1. And in the smaller grid units, we can actually bring this down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you do tab, you can see that it just rounds this area out. Again, you're not going to see this area regardless, but it's an optional thing. So I'm just going to leave this change in here. Okay. So now let's press the 3 key to go into the right view. Just zoom out, shift middle mouse button over here. And what we want to do is press the R key to rotate, and we're going to rotate 1 and then 2. Okay, and this will officially confirm the bottom teeth, gums, and tongue over here. So let's go ahead and actually save this first. So we're going to still save this as lesson 15 as our final save. Okay, now we're going to do file, save as, and just going to click on this plus sign over here for lesson 16. Okay, I'm just going to do save as. So over here should say lesson 16. So now we're going to model the top teeth. So we really have two options or two ways of doing this. One is that you can simply stay on this layer and click on this to hide this, and then do Shift A, mesh, and add the cylinder. Or you can simply still have this on and switch to a new layer, which we're going to do. And then we can simply do Shift A and then mesh and add the cylinder. Now, of course, if you go under here, create, you can do the same thing. You can click on this button and it'll do the same thing. Okay. So here, let's do the same thing. Click on this, type in 0.5, enter. And again, we don't want anything over here. Okay. So what we want to do is now switch to edit mode. And I'm going to press the period key to home in on this and just zoom in on the smaller grid units. So over here are the smaller grid units, and we want to click on this blue arrow and simply bring this down 2 nudges. Click it and do 1 and then 2 over here. Okay, so the top teeth are going to be slightly different because they have to balance correctly on the bottom teeth. So what we want to do is click on the vertex select mode and make sure this is on so you can see through the object just like you would in wireframe, just like this. Press the 7 key to go to your top view and just zoom out a little bit, and press the S key for scale, and then on the X axis we're going to bring it in 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then left click to confirm. And press the C key for circle select. Click on the middle mouse button, deselect this. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, deselect this one. Right click to get out of it. Press the S key and on the X axis, come in only one time. Left click to confirm. So here I'm just going to shift middle mouse button and zoom in over here. So this is where I want to hover my mouse. Again, the only reason I'm hovering like this so I know where I am. A to deselect, press the C key and then click on this. Right click to get out of it. Just zoom in and click on the red arrow and do 1 and then 2. And just like before, we're just going to zoom out a little bit, shift middle mouse button, press the C key and click on this vertex on where the red axis is and where the green is, and just like this. Right click to get out of it. From the circle select and do Control I to invert the selection, X, and delete these vertices over here. And if you do the middle mouse button, you can rotate it like this. So again, we going to do the same thing. We're going to click on add modifier, click on mirror, make sure clipping is on. We're going to enable this mode over here so we can see the other side and edit it. Then over here on the subdivisions, increase this to 2. Now again, we're not going to click this, right, because we're modifying the subdivision. We're just going to click this off so we can work with the cage. So you can see that the technique is very similar to the bottom teeth. Okay, so here we're just going to do A to select everything, go to the top view by pressing the 7 key. We're going to do E to extrude and then right click to get out of it. Okay, make sure that all of this is still enabled. So here we're going to do Alt S and type in 0.17 and then the minus sign, enter. And A to select everything, do W, and you're going to flip the normals just like before. Okay, pretty straightforward as to how this is working. Exactly, pretty much the exact same process. Okay, so over here, we want to zoom in actually and press the C key. And we're going to select these 3 now. This is where it starts to get a little different. Shift middle mouse button to just bring it over here. And zoom in to get the smaller grid units and bring this to the left, 1, 2, 3. We're going to fatten this area up a little bit, okay? A to deselect. Press the C key, click on these guys, do 1, 2, 3, 4. Then press the Alt key down and right click this one. Press the, you want to make sure that your mouse is here in the middle. So because we're going to move it up, right? Because when you press the G key 2 times, you can actually move this, shift it to the left, right, anywhere. So I just want to move my mouse up. So I'm going to press the G key 2 times and do 1, and then 2, and left click to confirm. Shift middle mouse button to come over here. Press the Alt key down, click on this. Press the G key 2 times, do 1, 2, 3, left click to confirm. Alt key down, click on this. Press the G key 2 times, do 1 and then 2, left click to confirm. Shift middle mouse button. Alt key down, click on this. Press the G key 2 times, 1, 2, 3. Over here, Alt, click on this. Press the G key 2 times, 1, 2, 3. Alt key down, click on this. Press the G key 2 times, do 1, 2, 3. Alt key down, click on this. Press the G key 2 times, 1, 2. Okay, A to deselect. Now press the C key, click on this one. We're going to bring this down 1 time and then 1, 2, 3, A to deselect. Press the C key, click on this, do 1, 2, 3, bring it down, 1, 2, 3, A to deselect. Press the C key, click on this, right click to get out of it, take it to the right 1 time and take it down, and then A to deselect, right? So you can see how this is a little different. It's more fatter on this area over here. This is something we didn't do when we were doing the bottom T. Anyways, so what we want to do now is go ahead and click on this guy over here so we can start to look at the subdivision and remove this over here. And what we want to do is do Control R and to add 2 edge loops. So hover your mouse over here and scroll your mouse wheel to get the 2 edge loops. Left click and then a right click over here. Press the 3 key to go to your right view. Press the Alt key down and just click on this edge over here just like before. Again, I'm going to hover my mouse over here on this edge because I wanted to split over here. So I'm going to hover the mouse over here and then press the V key to split it and right click to get out of it. Click on the blue arrow and just bring it down 1 nudge over here. Okay, and then A to deselect everything. Do middle mouse button to rotate this guy over here. Now we're going to click on the edge select mode, click on this edge, rotate over here, shift key down, click on this, this, and this one over here. Press the V key to split it, right click to get out of it, click on this edge, press F, 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 F. Same thing on all of these guys over here, okay? And this splits it up. So now for this one, we're going to handle this one a little differently for the middle. Go to the front view, zoom in, shift middle mouse button to bring it over here. So what we want to do is click Alt and click on this edge so it selects it. Okay, now remove this clipping over here. All we have to do is really move it to the right. Okay, so we're handling this a little differently than we did the bottom teeth. I just want to show you these different techniques over here. You can now click on this over here. See, I clicked on this edge. And I'm going to do the 1 key to go to the front view and press the F key. Then switch to the face select mode, click on this face. You're going to remove the snapping. Basically what you want is this point over here. We want it to be kind of in the middle. It doesn't have to be perfectly in the middle, near the middle. So here I'm just going to click on the red arrow and bring it in. And you'll see that it'll flicker like this. So I just want to just move it just out, just like this over here. See where this is? In the middle, meaning of this grid over here. A to D, select everything. Now I'm going to keep the clipping off over here, okay, for now. We'll switch that back on later. Okay, so let's go ahead and now switch to the edge select mode. So zoom in over here, click on this edge over here, okay? Do the same thing, press F. Basically, you're sewing it, F, F, and then over here, you want to be careful, just press F one time, otherwise it'll go inside, okay? So we've got this established, and what we want to do is now go to the right view, click on the snapping again, and over here we're going to switch to the face select mode and click on this face. So we're basically going to do the same thing. We're going to resize these. So click on the blue arrow, bring it down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then click on this one, shift middle mouse button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click on this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on this one, 1, 2, 3. Click on this one, 1. Over here, then go to the front view. We're going to click on this one and do 1 over here to go above. Okay, next we're going to do Control R, add an edge loop on all of these. So left click, right click, Control R, left click, right click. So I'm going to do this for all of them. Okay, just like this over here. Okay, now what we want to do is go to the bottom view over here, click on the face select mode, click on these faces, shift key down, this. Now this is the same thing that we did in the previous lesson. So we know that we're going to be removing these faces, and we also know that we want to remove these faces here too. So shift middle mouse button, we're going to just add these to the selection. Okay, this is what we're really removing. We're going to do X and go ahead and just do delete faces. So you'll see that it'll just open it up. So next, go ahead and click on the edge select mode, and what you want to do is click on this edge, right? So these are the edges we're clicking on. Now press the 7 key to go to the top. And now you want to make sure that clipping is enabled because we're going to extrude this. So make sure you have the big grid units over here. E to extrude, and then right click to get out of it. So it's still extruded. Now we're going to click on the green arrow and just bring it up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. Let it go, and then do Control R, hover the mouse to get that purple line for the edge loop. And we need 7 of these. So this is 1. I'm going to do the scroll wheel to get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. Left click and then right click. Just rotate here like this. Make sure you're in the edge select mode. Click on this edge, shift key on this one, and press the F key one time. Then click on this edge and just do F, 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 and then F over here, A to D select. Now we can simply just rotate this over here. What we want to do is Control R, add an edge loop over here, left click and right click. Click on these faces, this one, shift key on this, like over here. Now I'm going to actually switch this off, okay? It'll make it easier. So do Control 3 to look at it from this side. So click on the green arrow and bring it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to do that again. Control Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then do W smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And rotate over here. Click on this. Shift key down this. Over here. Now we're going to do W smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do Control 1. And we're going to do click on these 3 over here, W smooth, 1, 2, 3 to bring it out, and then click on this one, shift key down this, 4, Control 1. We'll bring this down 1, 2, then rotate with the middle mouse button, shift key down, deselect this one, go up 1, 2, middle mouse button, deselect this one, 1, 2. And now if you click on this, see that what we get is this pattern over here. Okay, so I'm just going to do tab to get out of this, just to show you what we're creating over here. Okay, so now let's do tab, go to the right view. I'm going to do Control R and add edge loops right over here. Left click and right click, Control R on all of these over here. Remember, what I'm doing is adding these edge loops in the middle of these teeth over here, where the gums are. That's what's going on. Okay, and just like before, and we're done over here. And then Control R, add an edge loop over here, left click and right click, A to deselect. Okay, so now let's go ahead and go to the face select mode, and we're going to go to the front view and click on this. That's 1, shift key down, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6. Go to the right view, and over here we're going to bring it in 1, 2. Press the C key to deselect all of these. 1, 2. Zoom out, press the S select mode, click on this edge, shift key down, this. You can rotate it like this over here. Press the 3 key, go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you'll see that when we do that, it gives you this edge over here. So you can simply click on this, go to the right view, do W smooth, 1, 2. And then if you do Alt and click on this, it'll just select this whole area over here. Again, you can just press Scale, SZ, and press the 0 key, and it'll just fix it back up. Okay, and we're gonna do that over here. So now what we want to do here on this third tooth, we're doing pretty much the same thing. Click on these two, go to the front view, bring it out 1, 2, 3. Click on these two, 1, 2, 3. Click on the edge select mode, W smooth, 1, 2, 3. And then over here, I'm going to click on these two to smooth, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we're going to click on these edges over here, go to the top view, and basically you want to select on this one, shift key down, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And now just rotate it like this over here. And what you want to do is bring it up 1, 2, 3, 4. Press the C key to deselect this one. 1, 2. Press the C key to deselect this one. 1, 2. Press the C key to deselect this one, and then 1, 2, 3 over here. Okay. Go to the front view over here. Click on this middle one. Shift key down this one. Go to the right view. Take it out, 1, 2, 3. Click on this one and this one. 1, 2, 3. Go to the front view, 1 over here. Now we're gonna actually handle these a little differently. So let's just click on these guys over here. We're just gonna bring this out 1, 2 over here. And for this one, I'm gonna leave this be for now. Okay, just do tab. And now if you go over here to the tools, in object mode, you want to click on smoothing to see what you're creating over here. Okay, so you'll see that what we get is this pattern over here. So let's go ahead and fix this area up. Click on these two, just do W smooth, 1, 2, 3, and it'll make that go away. Okay, so what we're going to do is go to the front view, click on the edges, and click on this edge to Control A, 1, 2. Actually, I'm going to do Control Z this, do Control A one time, click on this, Control A one time over here. I'll just want this to be subtle. Don't want it to go too dramatic over here. Again, these are just the top teeth. So we're going to have to come back in here a little later and work on this after we do the top teeth. I don't want to mess with this right now too much. Just get the basic shapes down for the top area over here. So I'm just going to park it like this over here. Okay, and we're going to save this now, file, and then save. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.